The E-HEEL 5-ton electric car jack offers a powerful hydraulic lifting capability, allowing it to lift up to 5 tons with ease, making it ideal for tire repair tasks. Equipped with an LCD and tire pressure display, this car jack ensures you are well informed during operations and can reach its maximum height in under 2 minutes. Its dual power supply option, either through a car battery or cigar lighter, broadens its compatibility with a variety of vehicles including sedans, SUVs, and MPVs. The inclusion of a portable electric impact wrench with ergonomic design and multiple sleeve sizes adds versatility and convenience to vehicle maintenance tasks. Safety features are well considered, with automatic stopping when the maximum height or weight is reached, and the kit includes gloves and a caution triangle for added protection. Designed for multi-scene applications, the jack's waterproof connectors and LED lights make it reliable and easy to use, even in adverse weather conditions or at night.